A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Tell me something. When crosses and trials start reaching and people start to treat away because I follow Jesus, I gonna remember all of the good something them where Jesus did tell you. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share it with all of your friends. And remember, if you're not subscribed yet, now is a good time to subscribe and to click the notification bell too, to make sure that you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, me I go read from the good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 15, verse 18 to chapter 16, verse 4. If the people them in the world hate to know, remember say, them did hate me first. If you did come in like the people them in the world, them would have love you, like how them love them own people. But you not come in like the people in the world, because me pick you out from amongst them. It make them hate to know. Remember when me did tell you say, no servant no bigger than a master. If they make me suffer, then they must go make uno suffer too. If them do what me teach them to do, them are going to do what uno teach them to do too. But them are going to do all of them sitting here too no, through uno and for me. And cause they don't know the one we send me come here. If me name come and talk to them, they wouldn't guilty or nothing wrong. But right now, they now have nothing for use and say they're not guilty. Anybody will hate me father too. They wouldn't guilty if me name do the powerful sitting them where they never see nobody else do. But now they see them powerful sitting here and they hate me and my father same way. But this year happen so that what right down in a God word would have come true. It say, them hate me for nothing at all. Me go send the helper from the Father to uno. Him are the spirit where show people the truth sitting them about God. And him are the one where come from the Father. When he come, he going to tell people about me. And uno fi tell people about me too. Because uno did there with me from the start. Me I tell uno then sitting here so that uno not tap believe in me. Them are going to run on out of the Jew them church. The time all come when somebody go kill uno and think say them are do sitting good for God. Them are going to do all of them sitting here because they don't know me or my father. Me I tell uno them sitting here so that when the time come, uno remember say me did one uno. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.